Welcome to Travcon Accounting Software Demo Session. This is the dashboard of our Travcon Pro version. The first step is the initial setup. For that, go to Admin, choose Settings. Here you can add all your agency based data like profile settings, logo settings, bank details, preferences, change password, signature, etc. In profile settings, you can add all your basic informations about your branch like branch name, email, mobile number, GST, other details as well. Next is the logo settings. Here you can add a company logo. Like if you want to create it as a header, then choose the header. If you want to show it as a logo, choose logo and upload the file. Next is the bank details. If you want to show your bank details on the invoice voucher, you can add a bank details here. If you want to show the QR code as well, then just upload the file. Next, you can customize all your preferences like time zone, financial year, invoice prefix, starting number, receipt prefix, starting number, like decimal point, language. You can customize it here as you like. Next is the password. You can change your password and also you can upload your signature. After after that you can see all the transactions like all the transaction entries such as invoice, receipt, payment, refund, journal, contra, expenditure, reconcile, etc. In invoice, to add an invoice, select the branch, select the customer whom you're billing this to, select their name. If the customer is coming through a middle person, like if there is any middle person between you and the customer, choose it as the commission agent. Commission agent means the middle person between you and the customer. Select, you can enter the name here and also you can enter the incentives for the agent, commission agent. Next is the staff. Select the staff who is billing this invoice. Then, and if there is an incentive for them, we can add it here. Next, choose the service. In ticketing, we have three services like train, bus and flight. All other services provided by the agency will be listed out in miscellaneous and also tour packages. Next, ticketing. Select the service type, sector, enter the ticket airline code. After entering the airline code, you can see the airline name here. Enter the ticketing number or the PNR, name of passenger. Choose the supplier. Enter the buying price. You can add all the basic fare, taxes, PLB commission, IATA commission, etc. in here. Enter the buying price. Then enter the selling price. To add GST, click the Add GST button and you can add the GST here. And if you want to show this taxable marginal service charge, click this. If you don't want to show, then remove it. Okay. Save. Okay. This is the flight ticket. Then submit. This is the invoice voucher. You can take a print from here. Next is the receipt. To add a receipt, the same way, select the branch, select the customer name. All the unpaid invoices will be listed out here. Enter the amount and select the invoice which is against your receipting. Select it and enter the mode of payment. Then submit. This is the receipt voucher. Next is the payment. To add a payment, the same way, choose the branch. Select the customer whom you are billing this payment to, giving this payment to. Enter the name and enter the amount. Select the mode of payment through bank, then enter the bank. Select the services. Then all the pending invoices, payments, you can submit it here. This is the payment voucher. And next is the refund. To add a refund, the same way you can select the branch, enter the supplier, enter the refund from the supplier. You can enter the invoice name, enter the invoice name. If any refund margin, if you don't want to show it, you can suspend the account. Okay, like this, you can submit it. Next, we have the journal. All the extra entries, all the additional entries, you can enter here. Adjusting entries in journal. All the bank transfers from or withdrawal like cash to bank or bank to cash, you can enter it in Contra. Also all the expenditures, all the daily expenses, you can add in expenditure. And next is the reconcile. In the same way, if you want to match a advance receipt, you can just choose the select the advance receipt, enter the receipt number, choose the receipt number. Here you can submit. Okay, select and then submit. Like this, it is matched. And next, the same way you can take all the you can add all the entries here. Next is the reports. To take a report of a customer statement, go to ledger, select the ledger type, like which type of ledger you want to take the reports of. If it is a customer, choose customer. If you want to show all the details of the customer, you can select all. If you want to show an individual one, then choose the name, then submit. This is the customer statement report. You can filter it from here according to the month wise or date wise, like that. So the same way you can take all the reports like day book, aging, sales, profit and loss, trial balance, staff productivity. You can take it from here. The trial balance. This is the trial balance report. Also you can filter and you can also take the print from here. And you can see all the cash transfers here in the cash book. At the top you can see all the cash transfers, and also you can see all the bank transfers, all the transfers through banks, and you can see the bank book and the cash book here. Also you can see the history, all the invoice matching, everything you can see here. And this is the pro version. If you want to know more about this software, you can contact us. Thank you.